Germany is in 4K now. Before, Germany used to be Generation 2, blurry artifacts around the cars, and all the buildings used to have the privacy blurring squares and stuff. But that's undone now. We have high quality Germany. This is the... I know this! This is Berlin. Wait, yeah. Sorry. I recently just came back from Berlin. This reminds me of... there's... near the Mitte, there's like a bridge around here, and then it has pink pipes going along in it, but I didn't understand what it was about. So I think this is Berlin. Potsdamer Platz, yes, that's Alexanderplatz, and that's near the centre. That was where the mall was. They had Potsdamer Platz and Leipzig Platz, I think. Oh, can I remember though? I think it was Mall of Berlin and Potsdamer Platz, yes. I think this was the bridge around here. So yeah, let's find, like Mitte. Oh yeah, Wedding's in the north. There it is, Wedding. So yeah, we are near all the tourist places. These weird looking buildings. I should have been on this road actually. It's probably why I recognise it so much. Let's just find the street name. Yep, so pretty much I've just came back from backpacking Europe. I did a few cities across Europe, including Dortmund, Wuppertal and Berlin. So anyway, can I find a street name? Schöneberg. So if we're around here, near Checkpoint Charlie, I'd say. Yeah, look, Schöneberg Strasse. So yeah, we're on this road. So let's load location. Pink pipes, we're next to a sakura. Yep. So I stayed near Gesundbrunnen, which I really didn't mind. So here. Yeah, so we're like down here. Here, look. This interchange makes all the sense. Yeah, look. Schillerstrasse. And what's this? Schillerstrasse. And that's Kurfürstrasse, yes. Sakura. There we go. Just gonna reset the whole thing. Oh, it's below us. Do not want to drop a single point here. And if that's below us, we're there. And I moved further away, but we still 5k'd that one. Alright, good, having a location I've actually pretty much been to before. This looks like the UK. Or like, this looks like France. Wait, this is not France, is it? No, that's silly. Definitely German. Does it not look like, up here in France? Breton. Weirdly it does. So definitely something strange going on here. This is quite an old looking town. It's like something like Bonn, I'm feeling. You get cathedrals and stuff. But then again, I don't know. Let's look for Carmeta. Do not see any Hamburg Carmeta. Cologne. Oh, that's Cologne Cathedral. Alright, my guess in Bonn wasn't too bad. So that big building we saw was the cathedral. Where was that again? No, that's not the cathedral, is it? Yeah, it is. That might be a different one we're looking at. Unless we're over the river, but you'd think all this high street stuff... Yeah, we could be here. That makes a lot of sense. That is not... Why did I ever think that was anything? So, let's try and find Mauritius Steinweg. Yeah, I definitely knew what part of Germany this was. It just had that feel. Oh, good. Neumarkt, we saw that. Wait, that's Neumarkt. Hauptbahnhof. Where's the Hauptbahnhof here? There. Do they not call it the Hauptbahnhof directly? Saint Pantaleon. What's that? Wait, there, we just found it. Yep, those signs definitely helped, pointing us more south of the centre. Now, let's look at these street names. Bayardsgasse. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, let's look at it from here instead. This roundabout. I'm just being double sure. Yeah, Fleischer. So we're there. We're to the east on Bayardsgasse. Let's just do another reset. Facing east. Road there. Corner of the building there. So we're here. And bang. That's my first Cologne round. Or Guln, as they call it in Germany. Like, head start. Balthasar. What does this remind me of? I think this might be south. More southern. Like, Bavaria. Yeah, it's very hilly. But this could just... this architecture just screams Bavaria or something. I mean, when I went to Wuppertal, it did have very hilly bits like this with loads of houses. But I don't think this would be the same part of Wuppertal I went to. It's just... I think this is just more likely to be the south. Bonn? Wait, this isn't Bonn, is it? Okay, that might just be a fluke. I don't know if Bonn has loads of hills. Oh, wait, was that the Bolt scooters? Oh my. No, that's Tier. Different ones. I was using the Lime scooters everywhere. Zentrum, Friesdorf. Is there a 9 here? Yep. So we are down here. Yeah, it's not bad me getting mixed up with Wuppertal here, actually. Oh look, do you see that? Koblenzerstrasse? Koblenzerstrasse? And if you look there, so we are somewhere around here. Bundesrepublik. Anyway, so Theodor Hausstrasse. There we go. And what's this crossroad called? Koblenzerstrasse. There. Okay, what? That's a 2-track road? I guess you can see it that way. Alright, that should not have been hard. Let's go back to the start. We arrived here. This just looks the same, doesn't it? That's where we are. Amgassen. There we go. Klosterbergstrasse. And we are to the east of that. No, we are to the yes. And if you see, there's a gap with some houses there. One facing diagonally towards us. So yeah, you see that? We are staring right at that house. So we're there. Bang, on the dot, 0 meters. 2 more rounds of this one. Look, here we go. This is the Hamburg car. This meta is a bit broken. Anyway, I always felt like before on Germany map, Hamburg was like quite easy to identify. It was the most common city. It's like the city of Germany. Okay, and we got a 7 here. Which is here. Elbe, that's the river, so that's pointing probably towards the river. Yeah, we're like here, I think, because I don't think there's much more in this sign. I'll save a checkpoint, but GeoGuessr is going to clear the checkpoint anyway, because it's so buggy. This road's big enough to find. Wandsbecker Marktstrasse. Market. Oh, I do like Hamburg. It's got something really like gothic about it. Like Utrecht, I feel, did too. U-Bahn. Wait, the U-Bahn could be a broken strat. Strasburger Strasse. Right? Because the U-Bahn should be marked properly on the map. I feel when you zoom in, you see the letter U. Basically, the U-Bahn's like the underground system. It's in most German cities. So I don't know how to find the U-Bahn here. Rewe. Can I find a Rewe? Can I just scan like here? I haven't considered above. But like it said 75, so I thought we'd be down here. See, this is giving nothing away to me. I could not find any of the street names, nothing. This is... Oh, this is definitely something. The sign, the big road. Flensburg, that's a city up there. Wait, Strasse! I think that's where we were. I'll edit the footage down to make it fun, fast-paced, not boring, so you're getting all the good stuff, okay? Vonsbeck, that's where it was pointing to. Just double check there's no Vonsbeck down here. No, we were definitely up here, I think. Where's Jenfeld? It's to our east. Okay, Centrum to the west. 75! Oh my god. I did not. No! Ah, well, we got it. Where's Jenfeld? Once I found that, I feel confident. Jenfeld. Okay, so we're around here. Okay, now that's the only information I need. This is the pinpointing part. Okay, this is a good road to be at. Hey, what road are we on? Come on, guys. There we go. Am Alphen Pothaus. Barmbek to your north. Yes, we got it. First time in history. Alright, we're getting closer. Now I'm just gonna try and somehow pinpoint this. Hammerstrasse. Oh look, we found it. There we are. We are on this street here. Okay, this round put me through a lot. Monday left me broken. Tuesday I was through with open. 0 meters again. And the last round... Please let me out. Please, come on. Come on. Please, let me out. Is this a joke? Is this a sick joke? How do I know what city this is? Do I have to find the name of the museum somewhere in here? I knew something like this would happen, honestly. Karl Planetarium. Mannheim. What's Mannheim? Is that a city? I do fear this is going to be impossible. Yeah, so this is... Most of it's in French. And that's the Arc de Triomphe. We're not in France. Info. Can I ask for the name here? Address? Is this possible? Go on, say the name of the city. Have an English bit. Ah, it's in German. Koenig is here. Fortunately, that's part of Russia now. This is about Paris and stuff. Oh, fire exit. Let me out. How on earth would I glitch out of here? Oh my goodness! Mannheim is a city. But does this give away much? I've got to trust the compasses right here. So this is north, and this is west. And as that road straight... Okay, let's think about this like this. We got to be in the center. I'm just hoping this is Mannheim, and that's not some advert for something random. Where did it say Mannheim again? Planetarium Mannheim. I'm just gonna hope we're in Mannheim. There's every chance this isn't Mannheim. Every single chance on earth. But you gotta throw the dice sometimes. We've been going long enough. But if you notice a pattern here, Karlsruhe. Ruhr. That's a river, isn't it? Why do they call it the Rhine-Ruhr region? I swear there's a second river called the Ruhr. Karlsruhe. So I'm just gonna assume we're in something starting with Karl in Mannheim. Whether there's a Ruhr river or not. Wait, look, a fire plan. Wait! Oh my goodness. Do you see that? Do you see that fire plan? We're here. Wait a minute. Have I just done it? And we're like here. No! No! That did not just happen. That did not just happen. I had the right idea as well. Oh, I should have seen that. That should have been so obviously a city. We were close. Alright, shame we didn't 5k this time on the final round, but we should have golded. We've gone gold in Germany, so that's all that matters today. So thank you for watching this beautiful video, and if you like more, if you like this editing style and stuff, tell me below. And I hope you enjoyed Germany. Bye.
Waiting for the day I can go.